welcome back to another episode, guys. Today we're going to be putting together that Monument Grills 200G, the M200G. I picked a really light color, the little turquoise looking color there. I don't know, man. There's something about that color that it's just a warming kind of color on this grill. Guys, this is their 2-burner. It just dropped. I mean, this thing is legit. And what we're going to do today is we're going to build it and we're going to burn it off. And then we're also going to do the first cook. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and start building this thing, shall we? And the first thing you're going to see here when I open the box, they've got phenomenal packaging on their grills, guys. Really good looking packaging here. I mean, this thing is packed tight. They utilize every square inch of that box. If it's not parts, or it's packing material. Okay, and they do an excellent job with that. But I did find a part that was broken on me. I'm going to reach out to them. Hopefully they can replace this for me, or I'll just probably try to fix it with some super glue. It looked like it had just bounced around and broken inside the box. But we're going to continue with the build. And the first thing you do is you put the casters on that bottom piece, on the bottom frame. Guys, the instructions are very easy to follow. That's another thing that I like about their product. Their instructions are very easy to follow. Nice pictures there, step by step. They don't have like 100 type of different screws to use. Most of the hardware is already pre-installed into the parts here. Like you see me installing some screws here on the back, and it takes no time to build this grill. This grill is just easy to build. And like I said, I mean, look, the hardware is already installed in the parts there. All I'm doing is backing them off and using them. And they make it really easy that way, guys. Very easy step-by-step instructions. And now it's starting to look like a grill. I put the unit on top there. That's where we're at so far. And again, guys, this color is it's so easy on the eyes. It's so retro. There's something really relaxing about this color. And I noticed that. Like, I noticed when I was cooking out there, and I just felt extra happy because of I think it's the color. I mean, it was just a beautiful day. We were rocking the upper 70s when I put this thing together. And it didn't take long. Right here, you see me put the door on, and it's very simple, you guys. Just line it up and just put it in. Very minimal hardware in the pack. I mean, in the kit. And here is the drip tray. And that's what it looks like up underneath after I installed it. Right now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and install this battery pack. The batteries do come with the unit, and it's a magnetic box. And I'm going to go ahead and install the battery for the igniter. And that's what the batteries were for that battery pack, guys. The knobs turned colors there. Nice little feature on this grill. Install the cast iron grill grates, the warming rack. And this one, guys, even comes with a bottle opener that I'm installing right there. And that is it right there, guys. We are done with this build. So we're outside now burning it off. I'm rocking a little bit above 500 degrees. And I held that temperature for about 45 minutes. And here's just a few other shots of the grill while it's doing the burn off here. The back side, both ends, both sides. And it's just a beautiful little grill, guys. But I'm going to use some of these Smoke'ems from Bear Mountain BBQ. And what it is these heavy-duty foil packs that are packed with pellets for gas grills. And so I'm going to put one on each side here on top of the burner. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to cook some beef fajitas. Guys, I've already done the burnout. I rolled it for about a good hour, 45 minutes at like 500 degrees. And here you see me placing the beef fajitas onto the grill grates. And the smokeums are puffing out that beautiful smoke, you guys. As a matter of fact, you'll see here in a little while that it was so much smoke that I think next time that I use the smokeums, I'm just going to use one pack in this small grill. But the grill holds temperature very steady. And it's just a gasser. I mean, you know, but with that little hint of smoke with those smokeums, this thing's legit. I mean, I see it's even set up for a rotisserie. I'm looking forward to doing some rotisserie cooks in this grill. Nice, beautiful little color here. Beautiful little grill. And I'm just flipping those fajitas. And they're just about done, guys. I'm just going to put them on the upper rack and let them rest before I actually pull them. And we're going to take them off. And this thing performed very, very nicely. I actually had 2 compliments while I was out there cooking with this thing. They loved it. They loved the color. They came up and they were asking me about it. It's a beautiful little grill, you guys. I'm happy I got it. I'm very happy that I have it. Just take a look at the smoke that the smokeums put out, guys, in your gas grill, guys. This is smoke coming out of your gas grill. Just take a look at that. I mean, it's intense. Don't sleep on those smokeums. Those smokeums perform. Yes, I've already pulled out my meat. But again, next time I think I'm just going to use 1 pack instead of 2. But look at the smoke that these things create, guys. These things are legit. And again, the fajitas were fantastic. This thing cooked them like a champ. Excellent packaging. Excellent customer service. Check them out. monumentgrills.com. Take a look at this little grill, you guys. You guys will thank me. This thing, you have to have it. I mean, it's just a great little grill. They've got several different colors. Check them out online. That's the close-up of the fajitas, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.
I wanna reach the palm tree.